Okay, method number 3. These are pecan wood chips soaked in red wine with cinnamon sticks in here also. So if you want to do this fancy one to really impress your guests or your lover, then soak some wood chips in red wine, let them dry, put them in a jar, and get yourself a smoking bowl. Gonna put some of the wood chips in there, and I had a big cinnamon stick drop out in there, so ooh, that smells good. Did you smell that? That smells really good. Got cinnamon stick there. Break that up, make sure that's right in the center so we get some cinnamon smoke in there too. Get your torch and start a fire. Once you have it going good, take your glass and you put it over the top of it and get it filling with smoke. Get yourself a coaster or something flat. Trap the smoke in there. Let the glass smoke. Then you can get your other one. You could even use a piece of junk mail to do that if you wanted. I'm showing you new tricks all the time, huh? You don't even know where I'm coming up with this stuff.
Smells good.
Let that smoke. So we got our glasses smoking. Another little something you can do is you can put the ice cube actually in the glass while it's smoking, and that way it permeates into the ice also, but I'm not gonna do that. The glass is good enough. While you have your glasses smoking, go ahead and mix up your cocktail the way we did in method number 2. But I'm gonna make one for both of us. So we're gonna double it in my big old glass here. There goes Tuesday. Bye, Tuesday. So instead of 5 of the Angostura bitters, we're gonna go 10. Oh, Tuesday just ran back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Peach bitters, please, dear. Peach bitters. We did 3 of these, we'll go 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we will do 6 of our orange bitters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Whoa, that thing doesn't want to stop. And we will go with the simple syrup method. Make sure your simple syrup's mixed up. We decided also that we're gonna go with the maker's mark on this one. We're going to go to overshot that one. Good shot it was. Good thing it wasn't in the eye. We're going 2 spoonfuls of simple syrup in there. Stick that down in there like so. Where's my love cup? Oh, it's sitting out front there. Thank you, dear. Watch Ginny's facial expressions through this video. I'm catching them out of my peripheral and I'm loving it. So there we got 2 ounces. There we got 4 ounces. And what? Captain B's love. Whoa, we got a lot of Captain B's love in that one. It's all right. We're having fun, right? So, maker's mark is what we're doing here. I forgot my grip. Wait, where's the grip? They do something. There we go. I'm learning. And our glasses, the smoke has kind of dissipated. And so, ooh, you can still smell it though. That smells really good. I definitely suggest trying this. It's good.
Yeah.
Ice cubes, please, dear. Oh, look at that. Get the ice cubes in while the smoke's coming out. Capture some of that. There we go.
Smell the cinnamon.
It smells really good. Excuse me. So, we got our big old ice cubes in there. We need a couple cherries and a little juice. The cherries make a good dessert too after the drink.
If you're at a bar or a restaurant, never let them take your drink before you eat the cherry.
Now we'll get our oranges, or orange. One peel, we'll just put it right there for now. We'll put that one right there for now. You've been drinking, haven't you? We'll express the oils. Caress the lips. I'm making everything sexual, aren't I? Put them down in there. There's your smoked glass old fashioned with Maker's Mark, simple syrup, Luxardo cherries, and 3 types of bitters. Cheers, dear.
Cheers.
That is good.
That's very good. Like it.
I do too. Maker's Mark is one of the regulars if you just go in to a restaurant and ask for an old fashioned. A lot of them will use the Maker's Mark, but with the smoke, with the cinnamon stick, nutmeg, clove, simple syrup, and the 3 kinds of bitters, I think it takes it to a new level.
It's good stuff.
Anyway, thank you for watching, guys. Enjoy some cocktails. Have a good evening. Be sure to subscribe to Captain B's Grinds and Cocktails YouTube channel. Give us a thumbs up and share it with everybody. Thanks for joining me, dear.
Thanks for having me.
I'm glad to have you. Good night.